didn't let type 2 diabetes take away my ability to eat my favorite comfort foods, popcorn and burgers. Today I'm sharing 3 hacks that help me to avoid big glucose spikes while enjoying my favorite comfort foods. Thank you to Abbott for sponsoring this video, and thank you to the Freestyle Libre 3 system for helping me to track my glucose levels. I love popcorn. Binge watching my favorite series or movie is not the same without it. I start by serving myself 3 cups of lightly buttered popcorn in my favorite container. Here's the crazy part. I eat each kernel slowly, one at a time, savoring each bite. As I bite into each kernel, I make sure to clear my mouth before popping in the next one. My goal is to pace myself so that I can finish 3 cups in 45 minutes to an hour. The pace in which I eat matters a lot to my glucose levels. The slower I eat, the less likely I'll have a big spike. Isn't that amazing? I never knew that eating slowly could be so satisfying and that it makes such a difference with my glucose levels. Now I'm craving a burger. I avoid a big glucose spike by replacing my hamburger bun with a crisp lettuce wrap. The art is in the lettuce selection and how you wrap the burger. My lettuce of choice is Iceberg. A fast way to wrap your hamburger is to sandwich it in between 2 lettuce rounds cut from the ends. It's tasty, a little messy. I prefer to make pockets or clamshell wraps that hold the sauce, like this. Select a large, firm iceberg lettuce and cut off the root base, remove the outer leaves, cut the head in half, remove the small inner leaves, leaving 3 to 5 large outer leaves. The halves are large, cut it in half again. You can make 2 to 4 pockets from each head of lettuce, and the rest make a salad. That's it. Now you can build your dream burger. I love a good diabetes-friendly hack. Okay, so I'm not always so cheerful, especially when my glucose levels spike. But fortunately, I have a hack for that too. The mystery muscle that I put to work is called the soleus muscle. The soleus muscle is located in the lower leg, beneath the calf muscle, and is engaged when you stand up and move or when you do sitting calf raises. This muscle is my best friend. So when I do get a spike, I do laps around my kitchen, I dance, I do the dishes, walk on my tippy toes, and my glucose levels go down right before my eyes. As someone living with type 2 diabetes, I rely on my hacks to stay in range as much as possible. And thanks to my Freestyle Libre 3 system, I know where my glucose levels are every minute of the day. So do you have any hacks for me? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Learn about the Freestyle Libre 3 system by visiting freestylelibre3.us/Shirley, and have a great day.